I presented a budget with the current tax rate. I think if the board feels that, they want more flexibility, then they will advertise that with the advertisement in 2 weeks. When all we have is the property tax, that's pretty much going to dictate the future of the county. And we know that, 65% of our revenue comes from there, and the growth of the real estate base is really what's going to drive the county. And there is the fine balancing act as to you can't increase tax rates every year to make up for what the needs are. So there's going to have to be significant reallocation to address the priorities and then redefining what those priorities are. When you sit down and you say, if I only have $1 to spend, do I put it on the trails? Do I put it to schools? Do I put it to public safety? And that's where it gets tough. I guess it was difficult in the sense of what I couldn't do, that I considered, priorities, from compensation to diversion first to police commission. That was the hard part, not being able to fund those and not have the flexibility to deal with those and to have to push those off. With limited revenue, you can only do so much. I'm happy we could do what we did. I'm frustrated, that we couldn't do more.